Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is State of Finance for Nature report. This topic relates to environment section of the UPSC syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. The United Nations Environment Programme has released the State of Finance for Nature 2026 report, which reveals a significant imbalance in global finance. For every $1 invested in protecting nature, over $30 is spent on activities that harm ecosystems. The report highlights the need to scale up investment in nature-based solutions, NBS, to tackle climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution. UNEP warns that the current financial flow towards destructive activities is worsening the triple planetary crisis. Now let's discuss about UNEP's State of Finance for Nature 2026 report. The 2026 edition of the State of Finance for Nature highlights the urgent need to get the wheel turning on the big nature turnaround. This report sets out the latest numbers and offers a new approach to accelerate the urgent transition to phase out nature-negative finance and to scale up investment in nature-based solutions and nature. The Nature Transition X-curve. Globally, finance flows continue to be heavily skewed toward nature-negative activities, which threaten ecosystems, economies, and human well-being. Get ready for the Republic Day sale at Drishti IAS. Enjoy up to 50% off on all online courses, pen drive courses, and test series. Plus, get 25% off on books, DLP, and magazines, available in both English and Hindi medium. This incredible offer is valid from 24th to 27th January. Don't miss out. For more details, call 87501-87501. Now let's discuss about key highlights of report. According to the UNEP report, spending on activities harmful to nature reached $7.4 trillion in 2023. Of this, approximately $5 trillion came from private investments focused on high-impact sectors like utilities, energy, industrials, and basic materials. Another $2.4 trillion was directed through environmentally damaging subsidies, mainly supporting fossil fuels, agriculture, and water use. Investment imbalance of $7.3 trillion invested in harmful activities versus $220 billion in nature-based solutions. Despite these setbacks, the report highlighted some positive trends, such as a 48% decrease in private investment in sectors most harmful to nature. For example, oil and gas, which fell from $990 billion in 2020 to $519 billion in 2023. Public domestic spending, which remained the largest source of NBS funding, rose by 4%, reaching $190 billion in 2023, with spending on biodiversity and landscape protection increasing by 11%. Now it's time to do a practice question. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations Environment Programme located? A. New York. B. Nairobi. C. Geneva. D. Paris. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.